Okay, welcome to the first class of linear algebra. Okay, first, I have uploaded some information before we start the class. So we will start from the syllabus here. We will meet on Tuesday and Thursday in this room, 51207. And I have given the course outlines and the related information here, including the web address that you can download the textbook, free ebook that you can use not only in your PC but also in your tablet and mobile devices. There is an English version of linear algebra, which is our textbook here, and there is also a Korean version of the textbook as well. In this address that you can download, the book. So you will use these books for your class. And we will cover the whole textbook on the introductory linear algebra. And I supplied some extra informations that including the information for the flipped learning class that I give. Okay. Control O, Control C, Control V. 여기서 퍼센트가 여기가 앞에가. Here, there is information that you can use. Here is a web address for the textbook, and also there is a web address on movie lectures. Probably this is in Korean, but I also gave you the web address for the English lectures on from the first chapter to the last chapter on Jordan canonical form. And also there are tools, GeoGebra and Sage and lecture note and movie clips and simulations tools and Java tools for the concept that you're going to learn through this course. And there is information for your midterms and final exams. For example, these are the exam, the sample, the earlier exam that I have given to my student with solutions. So you will see what you're gonna learn and what will be asked to answer in the midterm and final exams. Okay, and here's a web address that you can use. And these are the schedule that we're going to cover, the whole content of introductory linear algebra. Today, we will go through the preview and review of the knowledge on vectors in two sections in the first chapter. And from the next week, we will start from section 1.3, which is a new the content for you to start with. And we will continue to start the linear system of equations and matrices and determinant and linear transformation and some applications of those concepts. And also, then we will have the midterm exams in the 8th weeks. And after that, we will continue the chapter 7, which is dimension and subspaces, and then matrix diagonalization, and orthogonality, and Gram-Schmidt also normalization process. And then we will generalize all the concept of the earlier chapters in chapter 9, which is a general vector space. Then, and the last chapter, Jordan canonical form, will be covered before the final exam. Okay, as I mentioned, the linear algebra book, this one is your textbook, and which I already give you the whole file of this book, so you can use. And also, it's for free. And you can order this print-on-demand book from Gyobo Books. This book was available to you for free from the generous fund from Hyundai Car Company. And these are the references that you can use. This is the Korean version of the book, which is on contemporary linear algebra, and also the contemporary linear algebra by Antoine Busby is another reference book that you can use. From those books, I can certainly say this book has everything that the earlier books has, and also it has more interesting features that help you to learn and use the concept of linear algebra for whole of your life. Okay, next. I already uploaded some of the lectures on chapter 1 that you can go through from here. So you will just review the chapter 1 that most of you already have learned from your high school years. We will start to generalize and expand those concepts that you already know to the n-dimensional vector space. Here you will see the lectures I have recorded during the last week. Okay, section 1.1, vectors in n space. You prime, so and the vector from P to Q. So so you can easily go to the point that you have a difficulty to understand with the book and the lectures that I recorded a couple of months ago. Okay, now we are starting to introduce those. Next, discussions here and exams. Communication. This is the most important part of our lectures. I already gave some notices for you here, and here I introduced our textbook, which you can see from this web address, which is a big book linear algebra that you can order from Gyobo Book if you want to have a printed copy of it, or just you can download this book and just make a print out of those chapters that you're going to study one at a time. You don't have to bring all these 500-page books in your backpack. You can put it in your tablet or mobile devices to come to class. And also, here is the sample of midterm examination that you will see after 7 weeks. And yeah, we will have exams like this. So keep your mind when you study the content. Okay, we will follow the this is a kind of my philosophy on my linear algebra teaching, which was appeared in a newspaper. Then, yeah, if you read this, then you will understand what I intended and what I ask you to do. Okay, here I told you after you study, if you find any questions, then you should ask it in Q&A, and then I will try to give you the answer so you can finally understand the content. Okay. And next, I also gave you a lecture note for the first class, and yes, we will go through this today in detail. I also give you the first homework. You just a short introduction of yourself and read your objective to take this course and what you like to learn from this course in 1 page, and put it in a Q&A as a reply. So here, yeah. This is that's the same question here. You can just introduce yourself here before the end of this week, before the end of the first week, and this will be counted as your attendance. I will not call all of your name of more than 60 students here. I will just count those names that you leave your messages after this homework. This is your first homework that will be counted for your grade. This is what I intended. I hope you can say something about linear algebra from now and after this semester as well. In the last semester, we also had the more than 2,000 question and answers through this course, and we have solved many problems from the textbook, and I have fixed many errors that the students made, and students have learned pretty much from those learning process. And this is what I intended you to learn as well. This is about your professors who's giving the lecture in this semester, and I'm the very specialist in the theory of matrix. So you will have a chance to learn good knowledge on the linear algebra through this course. And here I have uploaded some more informations. Here, this was recently generated, and you will be able to see this from this web address. And this includes the lectures that I have given in the last couple of months, and from all the content from section 1.1 through the chapter 10.3. One important thing that you may have interest are these. This is a kind of new information for students. Here I have uploaded the movie clip of the problem solving of this book, which was made by the student who took the course last semester from me. For example, on chapter 7, student. 자, 지난 시간에 이어서 오늘은 7장의 9절은 지난 시간에 발표를 다 했고, so you